Welcome to Wonder Garden, a place where we care for flowers together and share the joy of blooms unfolding every day. For orchid lovers, everyone surely wishes their orchids to stay healthy, bloom evenly, and produce plenty of beautiful flowers. However, for orchids to grow quickly and sustainably, especially to build a truly strong root system, proper care from the very beginning plays a crucial role. When the roots are healthy, the plant absorbs nutrients more efficiently, the leaves stay greener, and flowering becomes much more stable and consistent. In today's video, I'd like to share with you a completely new type of fertilizer made from familiar ingredients right in your kitchen. This method is simple, safe, and easy to follow, yet it delivers very noticeable results for orchids during recovery and growth. With proper care, orchids not only produce more flowers, but also keep their blooms on the stems longer, with brighter colors and thicker, more durable petals. With the right care routine, orchids can even bloom continuously throughout the year, bringing lasting beauty and vibrant life to your garden. So now, let's get started. To make fertilizer for orchids today, I will use onions. Normally, when using onions in cooking, we tend to discard the dry outer skins completely and consider them as waste. However, few people know that dried onion skins contain many trace minerals, sulfur compounds, and natural protective substances, which help stimulate root growth, support fungal prevention, and make plants healthier. Today, I will show you how to make use of this seemingly useless onion skin to create a safe organic fertilizer for orchids. First, I will cut the dried outer onion skins into small pieces. Chopping them helps the onion skins break down more easily and allows the nutrients to be released faster and more evenly during soaking or fermentation. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After cutting, I place all the chopped onion skins into a clean glass jar. Next, I add about 500 milliliters of hot water to the jar. After adding the water, I tightly close the lid and place the jar in a dry, well-ventilated area. Hot water helps extract the nutrients from the onion skins more quickly and also reduces harmful bacteria, creating favorable conditions for processing the solution. Allow the solution to steep for 24 hours. Before applying the fertilizer, I usually rinse the orchid with clean water. This step helps evenly moisten the growing medium and gently wake up dry roots, allowing them to absorb nutrients more effectively. When the growing medium is sufficiently moist, the fertilizer solution can penetrate more evenly and steadily, reducing the risk of roots coming into direct contact with a concentrated solution, which may cause fertilizer shock or root burn. Especially for weak orchids, newly repotted plants, or those in a recovery phase, pre-watering helps keep the plant safer and more stable during care. After 1 day of soaking, I filter out the extracted onion skin water. At this step, I discard all the remaining onion skins and keep only the clear liquid, which contains the nutrients dissolved in the water. Next, I will use fresh milk. Fresh milk contains calcium, proteins, vitamins, and amino acids, which help improve plant health, support the development of new tissues, and make the leaves thicker and sturdier. I add 2 tablespoons of fresh milk directly into the filtered onion skin solution. After that, I dilute the entire mixture with 1 liter of clean water. Diluting the solution helps balance and lighten it, making it safer for the roots and suitable for regular use on orchids. At this point, we have a balanced organic fertilizer solution that can be used to water and care for orchids effectively and safely. Method 1. Wiping the orchid leaves. First, I pour a portion of the fertilizer solution into a small cup. I use a soft cotton pad soaked in the solution, then gently wipe the surface of the orchid leaves. This solution is a combination of extracted onion skin water and fresh milk, diluted at a safe ratio. It contains trace minerals from onion skins, natural sulfur compounds that help limit fungal issues, along with calcium, proteins, and amino acids from fresh milk, which help make the leaves thicker, stronger, and healthier. Gently wipe the leaf surfaces, including both the upper and underside of the leaves. Use light, careful movements to avoid scratching the leaves, while allowing them to directly absorb some of the nutrients through the leaf surface. This leaf wiping method not only provides gentle nutrition for the plant, but also helps remove dust and bacteria from the leaf surface, improving photosynthesis and supporting healthier, more stable orchid growth. Method 2. Mist spraying for orchids. With this method, I pour the remaining solution into a mist spray bottle. The solution contains trace minerals and natural sulfur compounds from onion skins that help limit fungal issues and protect plant tissues, along with calcium, proteins, and amino acids from fresh milk, which support healthier leaf and stem growth. When spraying, I adjust the nozzle to produce a fine, even mist, then lightly spray over the canopy and leaf surfaces, avoiding excessive spraying in one spot. Misting helps the plant quickly absorb some nutrients through the leaves while also increasing surrounding humidity, creating favorable conditions for growth. This method is especially suitable for orchids with weak roots or those in recovery, allowing the plant to receive nutrients gently without putting stress on the root system. Method 3. Pour the solution into a dedicated watering can and water evenly around the base of the plant. When watering, I do it slowly and evenly, so the solution can gradually soak into the growing medium, allowing the roots to absorb the nutrients as efficiently as possible. The onion skin and fresh milk solution provides a range of natural minerals, vitamins, and beneficial compounds that help stimulate faster new root growth, producing plump roots with healthy green tips. Watering directly around the base also helps improve the microbial balance in the growing medium, limits harmful fungal pathogens, and supports better recovery after periods of weakness. With a healthy root system, the plant can absorb water and nutrients more efficiently, resulting in thicker, glossier leaves and enough strength to produce new flower spikes. I usually apply this watering method in the morning when the weather is dry and well ventilated, so the orchid roots have time to dry gradually during the day, helping prevent waterlogging and root rot. With proper and consistent care, you will notice clear improvements in your orchids after a short time. Results. After using this fertilizer solution regularly for several months, my orchids showed very clear and noticeable improvements. First, the root system. New roots kept emerging continuously, with bright green tips that were plump, strong, and firmly attached to the growing medium. Even orchids that previously had weak roots or slow growth began to recover much faster. Next, the leaves. They became sturdier and thicker, with a glossy green surface and far less yellowing or wrinkling than before. The plant stood more upright, clearly showing better vitality and nutrient absorption. After about 30 to 45 days, many orchids started to produce new flower spikes emerging from the leaf axils. These spikes grew quickly, were thick and healthy, and rarely shriveled or dried at the tips. When the orchids entered the flowering stage, the blooms were vibrant and eye-catching, with brighter colors and thicker, firmer petals. Most importantly, the flowers lasted much longer on the plant compared to before, fading less quickly and keeping the pots beautiful for an extended time. Each blooming flower spike is a rewarding result of patience and proper care. This is also the motivation that encourages me to continue using and sharing this method with everyone. What do you think about this orchid care method? Leave your thoughts in the comments below so we can share and learn more experiences together. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share it with fellow orchid lovers, and subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel so you won't miss upcoming videos on orchid care, recovery, and helping orchids bloom stronger and more beautifully every day. Thank you very much for watching.